Hi, this is Matt with DreamSimplicity.com. We're here in San Francisco with Lincoln Murphy with 16 Ventures, and we are discussing SaaS. You may have seen Lincoln around. He's an industry veteran and a thought leader for the SaaS industry. Thanks for being with us, Lincoln.
Absolutely, glad to be here.
Definitely. There's a lot of talk today about Google Apps. There's the Apple App Store. How do you think all this relates to what we're seeing in the SaaS industry?
Well, I think it's indicative of a change that a lot of us have seen coming from for some time now, and that's really possibly even the term SaaS becoming irrelevant and just being the way that business is done. Web-based applications in business, that's the norm now. It's crossed the chasm, or whatever we want to say, to illustrate that it's hit the mainstream.
So do you think it takes a big name like Apple or Google to bring technology like this into the mainstream?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, a lot of people look to Salesforce.com as the thing that really got SaaS into the enterprise, and I think that's true. But I think you can look to Google and the Google Apps, Gmail, things like that, as really the consumer side of the equation that introduced people to more substantial functionality in their web experience. Google, Apple certainly have both adopted or have really gravitated towards the term apps, and I think that's an interesting source of discussion there. I don't know if that's ultimately going to displace SaaS, but I think it's definitely a trend that we're seeing.
Right. I mean, I guess it may be a term that most people can identify with. Now that everyone's got their iPhone, they go to the App Store, they can download their app. Everyone's gonna be like, "What's the next app? App?" And then what's SaaS? Is SaaS to just business solution? And where's the name SaaS going?
Right. What we have always promoted is the fact that you shouldn't sell SaaS to anyone. People aren't buying SaaS; they're buying the solution to their problem and the benefits that the underlying principles of SaaS really bring. So when you sell the benefits of, let's say, multi-tenancy, you're not selling the fact that everybody's using the same database or whatever. You're selling the fact that you have a repository of all of this information that you can gather statistics on and show them, maybe how they stack up against other people in their industry, that kind of thing. But I think at the core, the things that make up SaaS as we know it today are still relevant and will remain relevant regardless of what the user experience is and the user interface is to the underlying application.